Tucson, the city's moving forward with an ordinance to make public drug use a misdemeanor.
Drug use is already a felony in the state of Arizona, which falls under the Pima County Attorney's jurisdiction. Ward 4 Council member Nikki Lee, who brought the proposal to the council, says this will give the city more control to handle these cases. 13 News reporter Peyton May sat in on today's meeting. And Peyton, what were other city council members saying about this possible ordinance?
Dan, the response was nearly unanimous. Almost all council members agreed that something needed to be done about visible drug use in Tucson and that we needed better solutions to get people the help that they needed.
There has to be consequences to people breaking the law. There has to. And many times, our officers arrest one person 10 times. And there's no consequence.
Public safety took center stage at today's city council meeting. Nearly all city council members spoke about their concerns over the city's mental health and drug use crisis, including Tucson Police Chief Chad Kasmer.
The officers are very frustrated. The community is very frustrated. I'm trying to not be frustrated.
Many said public drug use was the #1 complaint they hear from constituents. That's why they're looking into an ordinance that would bring drug use cases back into the hands of the city prosecutor and city court. Doing so would allow law enforcement to make arrests for public drug use. That could mean jail in some cases, or alternatives like the Pima County Transition Center, which provides people with treatment, recovery options, and support services. Ward 3 City Council member Karen Ulick says either way, action needs to be taken.
Jail's not the answer. Avoiding jail can be an incentive, though.
The council says any change would need to be coordinated with the city court and city prosecutor's office to ensure people are moving through the system toward treatment. While the council says arrests are just one method of reducing public drug use, Amina Tolan with Unhoused Neighbors says this will only create more distrust of law enforcement.
You know, it's going to damage communities. It's going to harm people. It's going to turn what should be something that people seek out as a resource into something that where they have no choice, and the only choice is either that or get punitive, punishments.
She says she wants the city to talk to people who've experienced these problems themselves. That's why the council says they're moving forward with a working group that will include community organizers like Tolan. The council will revisit the idea in 60 days after speaking with experts and community members. Ward 2 Councilmember Paul Cunningham says he's not sure what the potential solution could look like, but feels strongly that something needs to be done.
Am I going to be able to say that we're doing everything we can, even if we turn this idea down? And I think no.
They'll also need to work with state and federal agencies, as well as other cities that have passed similar ordinances to put together this plan. She says that also includes talking with the Pima County Attorney's Office and the Board of Supervisors to tackle this collaborative citywide effort. Reporting live from Midtown, Peyton May, 13 News.